Got my coffee. Hey y'all, so we're gonna get ready together. I'm about to go to Ikea. So this is my primer that I'm gonna use today. This was from Dermablend. It's a mattifying primer. I actually really like Dermablend products, so I'm excited to try this one. I think I've used it one other time, but I honestly don't remember what happened because it was a work day, and sometimes, you know, on work days you just black out. Like, you don't even know what happened, girl. You be like, what happened yesterday? I don't know, because work be crazy. So I have my bonnet on because I like to sleep with a bonnet, because I think I mentioned to you guys my scarves always come off my head, so I just gave up. I'm like, you know what, I'm just about this bonnet life because scarves just don't work for me. I think today I'm going to use my Cover FX foundation because I've been kind of feeling it lately, and this one is almost finished. This one, you have to really squeeze this tube, like it will give you some serious arthritis. I'm gonna quickly put this on. Yeah, I wanted to leave the house really early, but you know, we were talking, my mom and I were talking, and so my mom is getting me an Ikea desk, makeup desk thing for Christmas, and I wanted to get it early because I did wanna you know, have it up for the month, you know. I am trying to minimize my makeup collection. I'm trying to just keep things that I really want to keep and not have so much makeup. I have a closet, y'all, that is my makeup closet where I have a lot of makeup, and I barely even go into the closet because it's just a lot of stuff, and I want to kind of get rid of most of that stuff except for the ones I really want, and just have my makeup be very organized and just keep the most important things. So I'm gonna have major decluttering going on with my collection. I have some of my collection in these cute cases from the Container Store, and I kind of just want to minimize everything. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever concealer in the shade 45. I do like the setup that I have with these clear containers, but they're not enough space for what I want to keep. And also, I kind of want to have everything concealed. Originally, I liked it, but now I'm kind of like, you know what? I want everything to be hidden behind drawers. I don't want to see it unless I'm looking for it, you know? Like, this is cute, but I just want it to be hidden. I just feel like it looks like a lot of clutter, and I am in I'm in a stage in my life where I don't want to see clutter. I just really want it to be just simple, and I don't want to see like tons of makeup just sitting in drawers, or just knowing I have tons of makeup in general. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I'm probably just gonna have a coffee, but we are going to Jersey because you guys know I live in New York, but we don't really have many Ikeas in New York besides I think we have a couple in like lower New York. I don't know about upstate, but we have one in Brooklyn, we have one in Long Island, and those are both really far from me. I live literally 20 minutes from Jersey, so we're gonna drive to Jersey to get it because there's an Ikea like maybe 30 minutes away. Hopefully there's no traffic, so it could be like 20 minutes today. I'm gonna vlog me like maybe build it a little bit, but I'm gonna probably do like a time lapse like this, so it's really quick and you don't have to sit and watch me do the entire thing. I'm just gonna use the blush that comes in this palette because it's pretty. It looks really nice. I just realized that when I filmed my, whoa, that was a lot. Actually, I've never used a blush in this palette before, and it's really pretty. It's really nice. So for my brows, I'm gonna do this Milk Cosmetics brow gel, and I'm not gonna actually do much to them. I'm just gonna put this in there because I don't really feel like doing my brows. All right, so this is what my hair looks like under my bonnet. I did a little bun last night. It was actually annoying. I should have taken it out because it really annoyed the back of my neck all night long. But I just rolled the hair up and put it in a bun. I never did that before. I usually leave it like this and then I just tuck it into the bonnet, and that's very comfortable. So that's what I'm probably gonna go back to doing after tonight. I'm gonna use this edge control, which I've been obsessing over. This is from Eben, and this is the Ultra Super Hold. But anyways, this one is really good, in case you were wondering. I think it's really nice. I'm gonna wear my butterfly earrings. I know you guys asked me about these before. They're from Forever 21 and I tried to look for them online and I couldn't find them. So I'm sorry, but maybe check your Forever 21 store and you will probably find them. I'm gonna set my face with this Smashbox setting spray real quick. This is the Photo Finish Weightless Spray. I'm gonna add a little bit of this dry shampoo into my hair because I have been putting bio oil in there and parts of it a little oily, so I put the dry shampoo to help with that. This is the lip oil I was talking about, you guys. It's so good. This is the bottle. It is so good. I'm gonna use it tonight so y'all can see. I have this from Ulta. I went to Ulta yesterday. I also have this this is from the Body Shop. It's a Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. I'm excited to try this out. I'll probably try that out tonight. I'm gonna brush my hair. Just a little update on this hair, you guys. I actually have been really enjoying these bundles a lot, so like I'm actually really impressed. Especially it's been really long. I was scared that it was gonna get matted easy, and I know you're supposed to put this like closer to your roots and stuff, but I'm just gonna put it throughout the hair. I'm gonna take my vitamins, you guys.
Mom, can I watch YouTube? Please, oh please.
This is the sweater. This is the sweater I'm wearing. This is from Boohoo. I'm gonna pair it with some jeans. Got my coffee. Johnny got Dunkin'. Reference Dunkin'. Team Starbucks and Team Dunkin' over there. But Johnny prefers Dunkin'. Why do you prefer Dunkin'?
You're bougie bantan. I mean, what do you call it? Bougie bantan.
I'm bougie bantan.
Facts.
Oh my.
I think it tastes better.
You guys, you need to vote below. Are you Team Dunkin' or Team Starbucks? The polls are open.
This is not, you can't have kids in this house. You can't have kids in this apartment.
So much glass?
No, it's just not conducive. Yeah, the glass is just not kid friendly.
Yeah. This one's cute. This is really nice. Yeah. I like this coffee table.
You can't really be depressed in this space. It's too much bright stuff.
I like the map. I always like maps. Yeah, that's the whole thing. It's like small rooms. This is really nice. Let's see. It's nice in here. Oh my gosh. Gotta come see this. This is cool. Yeah, this is a really cute space, you guys. I definitely love this space. Wow, these plants. I kind of want either this plant or a different one for my area. This is so cute. I'm loving this space. Nice kitchen, you guys. Love it. Oh, this is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I came for. Look at this little set. Wow. Alex drawers. I want to get the wide ones to make into my desk. Oh my gosh, my nails look so ratchet. This is really nice. This is a little messy. I mean, I could clean up a little bit up here. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm going to do an Ikea haul to show you guys what I got. I got this bowl. This is for baking or cooking. I really want to get into cooking, so I got that. I also got this squeegee to clean the bathroom. I got this vase for flowers. It's really simple, but I like it. Let's put this here. And then I got this for mimosas. I want to make some mimosas. for maybe Sunday morning or Saturday morning. So I got that. And then Johnny, did you get this?
What? Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's Johnny's. And then I got this container to just kind of store random things, because you know a lot of times you have all these random things you want to just store somewhere. So I got this for that. I got some stuff from HomeSense, but some of this is also from Ikea, so let's show you. Oh gosh. Okay, so I got some wine glasses because I needed some wine glasses for my wine. Then I got some plates. So I got white plates, I got white bowls, I got white sauces, and bigger bowls for like salad. From HomeSense I got some Christmas stuff. So I got these bulbs for the tree. It's the theme I think I'm going for my Christmas tree this year. And then I got this tower of some more bulbs. These are silver, champagne type of gold, not super gold. I didn't want it to be yellowish, like champagne and like beige almost. Then I got this pillow for my couch because like I said I wanted to do silver. So for my living room I'm doing a silver theme, like with these colors. So I got this silver pillow with just like the trees. It's really simple, basic, but I really like it. And I got these curtains because I wanted to change out what I have to just add some holiday curtains. These are white. They were gonna go in the middle. They're gonna go in the middle. The outer edges I'm gonna have these, which these look so pretty. And this will all kind of flow. This will all flow really nice together. I got this pot for the plant that I got at Ikea. So I got this bamboo plant from Ikea. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for a while. I finally picked it up today. This is a bamboo plant. Also from HomeSense, I got some wrapping paper for Christmas. So I only got silver. I think I'm gonna get some white paper also, like white designed. But this one is like sparkly. Then you have one with some type of prints on there. And then this one is like scratched silver. They all look really nice. And oh, I have some more stuff. This one, I got this for the kitchen. I think for the kitchen I'm gonna do like that plant type of Christmas design. I don't know what it's called, but it's like the classic Christmas plant design thing. So I'm gonna go with this theme for the kitchen, and I'm gonna have like a nice poinsettia, what do you call that plant? Poinsettia plant on it. This plant right here, the poinsettia. I can't say it, whatever, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna have this on for the kitchen, and I need to get towels that match it. And then for the bathroom, I'm gonna go with a plaid theme. So I got these to start off, and yeah, I'm gonna just get some more things that I like. Okay, so I am completely out of breath, but I also did get the desk that I showed you guys. That's why I really went to Ikea. So I ended up getting the wide Alex drawers, I got the long table, and I got the skinny Alex drawers. And what I'm gonna do is I also got 2 legs for the desk. So I'm gonna put the 2 legs on the side with the wide drawers, because the Alex drawers that are skinny, the skinny ones are taller than the wide one. So the 2 legs are gonna make it the same height. This probably makes no sense to you, but when you see it in real life, you know